Welcome to another Dollar Tree haul. Look where I have started my morning in the container section. $1.25, you guys. This material here is thick, really nice quality. I did decide to grab a bunch of new containers to continue organizing my household. Look at how beautiful these are. That's a new section they set up. Today I had my kitchen in mind and my cupboards in mind. That is what I wanted to go and reorganize, including my refrigerator in the garage. All three of those need help with containers from the Dollar Tree store. So here I checked them out, pulled the ones that I needed, knowing what I had to go home and organize. There's no comparison, you guys, to going to this store and then going to one that you're going to pay 10 times the amount. Why? Why would you pay 10 times the amount for a container like this? This here is, I would say, the same quality. This is for your kitchen. Look at their new items. Their new items are exceptional. They're getting better and better. Each time I show up at the Dollar Tree store, I am shocked. Check this out. I'm grabbing these to go home and really organize all my spices. My spices are everywhere. They're all over my cupboards. I don't even know what I have anymore. Those would be perfect. I'm grabbing 3 of those. Oh yeah, that's coming home with me. Yep, and then I went back to the ones I saw last time. So cute. Look at black with a little bit of white handles. And look at those prices. Look at the quality. Everything here has a cap. Just take a look at this. The price you can't beat. Go look these prices up. Go look them up even at Target, at a container store. So I spent about an hour and a half, maybe 60 to 90 minutes going through this store. It was so much fun because I found that everything seemed to have been put in their place. Sometimes you go there and it's a mess, and sometimes you go there and it's quite organized. I am back home with my Dollar Tree store haul. Look at that. Here goes the fun. First thing I do is go to my cupboard and see what I haven't organized yet. That was last week. Now what we're doing today are the pop cans in the refrigerator. Put them in the buckets. Got them all ready to put in the fridge, but first I scrubbed it out with my handy dandy $1.25 scrubber that I also picked up at the Dollar Tree store. Then after that was done, I went to my spices, grabbed all of them out, and then I started organizing. It was really a lot of fun, you guys, especially knowing that my items were all under $1.50. I took all the spices out like I had in my plan, and I put them on my new spinners. The spinners were amazing. They held them perfectly. I was able to see what I had and throw out the ones that I didn't need anymore. Cleaned it all up, placed it all back, and it looked beautiful. Now, I have everything organized from my chips to my spices. Where did I head? I headed to my office. Here I am. There are the buckets. I organized them by brand. Those are the brands that I'm selling. So now I know where everything is. The bucket's there. I put 2 or 3 buckets underneath. It's all together. And man, does it make a difference. No clutter. I can think clearly. Grab items when I need and I know where they are. And I finished it off with placing the ones that I'm shipping out for FBA. Right there, you guys. They're ready to go. Thanks for watching. This was a great one. Go shopping.